Hey you all, Cindy here of Cynthia Porter Studio. Thank you so much for coming this Friday and any other day of the week and watching my videos. I really appreciate it. And if you're here on our Friday night train, you would have hopefully gone and seen Nate Bright of Nate Bright Art before me. I think of him as my jungle boy, which I get that completely from Gilligan's Island when Kurt Russell was the little boy in the jungle there on the island, and Marianne was trying to rescue him and stuff. I kind of think of myself a little bit of a Marianne, so I say that with all love. And after me, you're going to go on to Janet of Creations by Jwitty, and then after her, finish off with Donna of It's Art by DonnaM. I know that everyone has some great things going for you all tonight, and I hope you like what I did. So I did a little triptych with the bloom technique and the deconstruction, and I'm calling this Flash Gordon because it reminds me of that scene in Flash Gordon where him and the bird people and everybody are on like those jet skis in the sky and they're going in and attacking. So that's what it kind of reminds me of. Oh, he'll save every one of us. Anyway, so onward to my video, and thank you so much for being here with me. Love y'all. Bye bye.
You and I, we never show emotions, we just keep it down inside. Yeah, you and I, both longing for expression for the things we like, but we stay quiet. Hold me now, tell me things, tell me all about how you feel. Just let yourself go. Say it loud, wake the world on the other side, make it real. Just let yourself go, just let go. The weather, and there's no wind, no sun, nothing. 80 days and I'm not feeling better, but a sweet relief is finding me. There's no love under the portrait.
Here I was adding some white cell activator, and I just did a line of it. And then you'll notice that with my black cell activator, I did a puddle, and then I added a little line of the black cell activator on each of these puddles, because I was thinking about blowing it all in one direction, but then I kind of second guessed that and didn't do it that way. So, anyway, just thought I'd let you know what I was doing.
So free.
The camera flash went off. Reflection made your eyes red. You said you have a secret. They reveal on the portrait. We dressed up as well as others. Fancy oversized coats. We don't know how to wear them.
I really wish I had left that black in that center one because I think it looked a lot better. Hindsight's always 20/20.
We're breathing still. You are so
shapes and sizes. Small voices singing, set me free. Set me free. You said you'd hope to die. You've crossed my heart now too many times. You know the feeling is gigantic, although it barely meets a naked eye. The messages we send are transatlantic, and you can barely You know I will stay silent, I won't force it. You give me every chance to leave, but I still stay. I hold the light up close against the window, signaling for you to come inside. I lie awake and wait for you to get here, and I don't let it show, but I am really shy. I'm so
Okay, y'all, so it's been a few hours later, probably about 3 or 4, so I'm going to bring you down in for this close-up. And I've got to sing, Get Down, Boogie, Oogie, Oogie, because I am loving this boogie by this little piggy. Ooh, it is so yummy. With all these other colors, that fluorescent orange just makes it pop. And I am loving just swiping with the cell activator. I just love doing that. Then we come in here, and there's a lot of sparkle and shine right there. Let me see if I can get you all to see it. Of course, whoa, sparkle and shine. And then over here, ooh, let me go up. And then I'll bring you over here to the third panel. And I am talking about Boogalicious right there, folks. Yum. Bring it in closer. So pretty. I cannot wait for these to completely dry, which should be a day or two. Maybe I could just show you guys the dry results. Anyways, before I send you on to Janet of Acrylic Creations by Jwitty, I'm going to wish you guys a bunch of peace, love, light, and lots of laughter. Until next time, love y'all. Bye-bye.